Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Amzn stock or Amazon.com. Now this stock has shown some severe corrections, and let me go to the weekly chart. We can see the move clearly, and from the top, as you can see, from the top Amazon has already corrected 55%. Now the question is this the big buying opportunity? Whether the correction end here, or do we have some more to be looked at going forward? This is what we are going to see as far as the trend is concerned, because obviously these kind of stock must find its place in the long term portfolio, and if you are getting a big buying opportunity as far as the overall trend is concerned, you need to lap it with both the hands, but your timing must be a right one. It should not be buying at any level. You can do that if you have so much money, but this is not practical. So let us see what lies ahead for Amazon and what we are going to look at moving forward. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now let me give you two levels. As you can see over here, you can clearly see the lines, the two big support levels in the past, and if I draw a line like this, what you can see is your big support at $61. Okay, there lies your big support at the lower end of the range, and from there hopefully the stock will start moving higher, or 60 or 61 will be the level, or in between 60 and 70, somewhere in between 60 and 70 the correction will end, and from there the big trend will start, where in the upcoming years I'm also telling you what lies ahead. Whenever the uptrend start, the big trend or big target that we're going to look at in the upcoming year will be in between $450 and $1,000, but that is not the story right now. What we are actually looking here right now is the lower end of the range, and the stock is in a sharp correction, and if it, let's say, if it moves toward $60, it will be a correction of 69% from the top. So it will be a very big correction, a decent correction. Okay, you cannot expect more than 60-70% of correction, but let's say I'll give you another scenario. This scenario, the possibility of this scenario is less. Let me tell you, you need not to be extremely bearish. This is going to be an extremely bearish scenario, and the probability is less until and unless there is something very big is going to happen. If you are very pessimistic, and I'm telling you again, the chances are less, then it may fall in between $20 and $31, $21 and $31. So this is a pessimistic scenario, but this is just for the sake of information. Right now we cannot be extremely optimistic or extremely pessimistic. The reasonable move here is, or the reasonable correction which we are going to look at is $61, which is going to be your big support, or I would say the stop loss on the downside. Most probably this is the level where you will find your correction gets ended, and from where you will see big trend will start again. And if this is the level, and then we have the big target which will be in between, as I told you, $450 and $1,000 in the upcoming months and years going forward. Okay, so there is still some correction to be seen, but over a period of time you can see big price action going forward. So stay strong, find your levels, find better buying opportunity, and once that comes, obviously don't let it go. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.